It's a diamond, all right? Look at the structure. Confirmed, these pipes are rich. Mark the zone. Steady now, it's breaking through. Got it. Look at that shine, diamond. It's real. Careful, let's not lose it. There it is, a real beauty. This one has prominent inclusions. Agreed, we'll log it as SI2.
Next one.
This one has prominent inclusions. Agreed, we'll log it as SI2.
Next one.
Shape is irregular, quality shows inclusions.
Carat weight is 1.2. Potential for brilliant cut.
Agreed.
Scans complete, inclusions mapped.
Models up, high finalizer.
Calculating optimal cuts now.
Every angle is covered.
Lines adjusted, max brilliance at 95.5%.
Strategy finds guys.
Execute.
Reflections are balanced and sharp.
Proportions are within spec.
Alignment is perfect, it passes. The diamond shows a slight hue against these stones. Under magnification, the grade is H, logging it now. Measurement is stable at 1
For accuracy is essential. Updating the records.
Light performance tools measure brilliance. The diamond reflects rainbow fire. Symmetry and proportions are reviewed. Advanced instruments calculate angles. The microscopic serial number is laser engraved on the diamond girdle. Technicians verify the invisible inscription. The identification is permanent. The diamond is placed in a tamper-proof container. A grading certificate is printed. Security seals are attached. Certification is complete. Every facet is flawless. Records match certification. Room is secure. Approval granted. Scan complete, diamond logged. Tracking number confirmed. Digital records updated, security active.
The diamond arrives. Let's inspect its brilliance.
Tools are ready. The transformation begins. Prongs are secure, alignment is perfect, certification matches, craftsmanship approved, ready for display.